know I love you, babe. You're everything I needed, and then some. I love you like fresh underwear that I can put over my head. Babe, you're like a new toilet plunger after I overflow the toilet with my poop. Yeah, you know I love you, babe. You're everything I wanted. You're just like that fresh roll of toilet paper I need to scratch my butt after I failed to wipe myself properly the first time. Yeah, babe, you're my true love. You're like that housemaid who comes in to take the poop off the bed after I've fallen asleep with loose bowels and drop some organic brownies on the bed while sleeping. You're my love, babe.